The scary thing is that it lets you, well, the hackers, I should say, run their own code on servers without needing a password.
Anyway, let's talk about this React server components, and the React and the Next.js. This is stuff there. It's a collection of tools and libraries that are used. And so the React server components, this has a vulnerability or had a vulnerability. It allowed for somebody to run remote code execution. And the problem was in the React's flight protocol, and that's responsible for communication between a client and server components. So this was done when a server processes a specifically designed payload from an attacker, and since it fails to validate the structure correctly, it allowed the attacker to inject and execute privileged JavaScript code on the server, and then they could run stuff. And the way they did this was nothing more than a malicious HTTP request to an endpoint that was already exposed. Good news is there are ways to fix this. You can run the updates. So if you're running React, if you're one of the users, install the versions 19.0.1 to 19.2.1. Those have been fixed. Also, Next.js users should upgrade to the latest major release, and you'll be okay.
The scary thing is that it lets you, well, the hackers, I should say, run their own code on servers without needing a password. How's that possible? That sounds nuts.
Yeah, it's the payload that they don't validate